Boys, what's the deal, baby? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna go to get a check for rent. Nick's gonna come over. We're gonna go down to Garage Selective, and then we're going to Auto Power, dude. We're going to Auto Power to get a fucking cage ordered, dude. So we're gonna check out cages, see what they look like, talk to these guys, hang out. Something that I'm very ashamed of right here. We have an engine light. I don't really know what that's about, to be honest. We will all diagnose that later today, together as one large ST family. Can you hear me? Can you feel me? Damn it! Just got a rent check. They completely drained my bank account, baby. Let's go. Dude. Why the f you so sus?
What's up, dude?
Oh, nothing.
Good morning. I just gotta roll up the window real quick, okay?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Okay, perfect. Let me put the fuse in.
That's what we wanted. That's perfect.
That's all I needed to do.
All right,
roll
cool.
up the window.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, driving the E30 M3 real quick to drop this off at a shop because we need to fix the wrap. Then we are heading straight to Auto Power, boys. Get stoked, you idiots.
I just love how you can hear everything that's going on in the car and then feel everything that's on the road. That sounds so good. It sounds so good. Dude, I need a cup of whip songs like that, bro, so we can both just be like whining away, dude, on the cruise. Like go to Julian and we're all just like 3,000-4,000 RPM, just like toned like that.
Everyone. Oh. All right.
Oh, let's get out of here, baby.
Oh yeah, still have an engine light on. Gotta diagnose that.
I would just go, you know, whatever. Probably fine. It's probably
probably
fine.
my O2 sensors that are gonna.
Well, because you're shooting it out. This sounds really good though. Out of all the M's, this is a pretty fun sounding car.
That's funny because every time I get out of those things, I'm always like,
I can't complain. Yeah, you can.
Like, it's fun.
I love I've always loved like the did it like almost each shift,
yeah.
And then no more. Like I don't like it much after that.
We're on the way to Auto Power right now. Like I said before, we're getting the cage. Not installed today, but I want to see if they have one that's there that I can at least look at. They're gonna show me how to put it in because I'm putting it in with whoever wants to do that with me. So it's not that bad. It's only 4 mounting places. It's not like it's only a bolt-in. I know a lot of you guys are in San Diego. These guys are obviously they're in San Diego. They're super local to where I work and kind of where I live. They have like the cheapest prices low-key. So if you guys are curious about whether this is like a good deal or not, you about to find out.
I can't tell you like how uncomfortable like it is from like a camera dude's side, like watching. Like you guys watch that, like that's funny. But like when I hear like his like the back of his throat going, it's like that. Like it's like so detailed.
Do you mind introducing yourself real quick?
Yeah. I'm Brad White with Auto Power Industries.
And we're gonna get some examples of what these cages look like and what to expect when they go in, because honestly, half of the reason and half of the excitement for me is like the fact that it looks cool, which sounds kind of stupid because I will be tracking it, but I'm really just excited to have like a red like cage in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is the one I'm getting.
This is the one you get.
Yes.
So this is by far and away the most popular. We add the options that makes it so you can unbolt the harness bar and the crossbar.
Okay,
that way,
sweet.
when you're not racing, you have easier access to the rear seat area. This one here, this is our street sport roll bar.
Sweet.
It's another 4-point roll bar with just a bolted harness bar. This is not track legal, but this is more for a kind of car show-ish guys
Yeah.
who want the look, but necessarily don't want the crossbar. Some people don't like having the crossbar in the rear view mirror.
Yeah, it's definitely hard.
Yep.
Yeah. That's gonna be insane, dude. That's gonna look. Yeah. So I'm gonna powder coat it red too.
Yeah, it'll match perfectly with the seats.
It's gonna be so sick, boys. This is lit. So the only difference between the one that is with options is the fact is that this is boltable.
Correct. Yeah. So this is a standard race roll bar. You can see the harness bar and crossbar. You can weld it in place.
Yeah.
So you would still have to pull this panel off.
Yeah, that's
But
fine.
the bar itself is in a bolt about here.
Okay.
I believe. And the front hoop will end up pull the carpeting up. It goes into somewhere about here.
And this is going to be us drilling our own holes for this, obviously, right? Obviously, there's no points.
You use the roll bar comes with holes in it, so you just use the holes of the roll bar to kind of guide you.
Oh, okay, sweet, even easier.
The biggest thing is you want to look under the car. You're gonna brake lines, fuel lines,
yeah.
Electrical wires that you're gonna drill through when you're doing your drilling.
Awesome, dude. Wow, that's crazy.
And they roughly weigh about 50 pounds.
It's not bad.
It's not a lot of weight, and you'll get a lot of rigidity and stiffness out of the car. This is my personal race car.
Oh yeah?
This is a Bonneville Land Speed race car.
Oh, what the hell, dude?
It started life as a 1971 Honda 600.
You just pulled this out of no. Look how long the front is.
Oh yeah. We're trying to go over 300 miles an hour with this car. It's got a blown big block Chevrolet. It's 511 cubic inches on alcohol.
Oh my
About
god.
30 pounds of boost with this setup. My personal best is 275 so far.
I can't believe the arch. The wheel
look at
arch
it.
in
So
the
you
back.
See, this is all Honda doors. I mean, this is all
Oh
Honda.
my gosh,
It has a
dude.
three
Is that
speed-
your wheel?
No, yeah, steering wheel, yeah.
It's just a handle.
3-speed B&J air shift transmission.
Oh, so it's got like the.
Yeah, he's right here. Yep.
No way. Dude.
This is an all-iron motor, iron block, head motor. We are currently building a brand new all-aluminum motor
Okay.
for this year. This motor will be 540 cubic inches.
Oh my god,
with
dude.
with a Donovan
Look at the
block
size of these pistons.
Yeah.
Forge. Oh my god, that's so
Oh my
solid.
god,
Donovan,
dude. Well, dude,
Yep.
thank you so much for showing us
yeah,
at
no
the shop,
problem.
man. That's
Yeah,
so
appreciate
cool.
If you're ready to place an order, just let us know.
That's like the genuine all-American auto shop that you would want to go to for all of your auto needs.
You know what hype they have and like the willingness to like show people around? Like, I guarantee even if I didn't have the camera, he still would have done the same thing. Like,
Absolutely.
He just seems hyped on what he does. That's so cool. Okay, well, that's what Auto Power's like, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I'll be honest. Do you guys remember her?
Hi, how you doing? Can we go for another ride?
Hi, lady.
Hi.
You want to go to the track?
Totally. I want to go further. Let's get out of Del Mar.
Do you know what the track means?
No idea.
It is what it is.
Okay. Yeah.
You're lit, you're lit, you're lit. I'm literally gonna ink on you. Woo! We're back from Auto Power. We're lit. It is what it is, baby. I don't play around. I don't play around. I'm telling you right now. Hey, f***ing damn it. Engine light, did it magically disappear? Nope. Nope. Still bright. All right, let's see what's actually going on with this thing. Oh, guess what, baby? Look at that. Perfectly at 69,000 miles. That's what we love to see here. O2 heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 1, and then O2 heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 2. So I'm pretty sure that means a fuse is out that does something with the O2 sensor. I don't know, dude. Hey, dude, I'm not paid to be diagnosing stuff, okay? I'm just paid to be here. No, but I really have no idea what that means. I'm gonna have to look it up and get back to you guys on that, so that's cool. If anybody wants these wheels and wants to trade, let me know. These are 17 by 7.5. They're sick wheels. They just do not show up in pictures, like, for the life of them. And obviously, I need them to show up in pictures because that's kind of what I do, so. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know down below if you guys are stoked for me to go to the track in this thing, dude. Like, I'm honestly over the moon about it. Like, I cannot wait. We're so close. The brakes are on their way, by the way. Like, literally, like, Ron shipped them out yesterday from Whoosh. So those are gonna be going in. Single port, still gotta do that, which I'm lagging, but I'm gonna do it. And then the cage, dude. So stoked. Comment down below. Unlucky you gunky. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.